Good morning everybody, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setup for today. So we had a bit of a pretty big sell-off latish in the session yesterday. We've ended up with another red bar. So we've had 4 days of up, and then we've had basically 5 days of down. But the 5 days of down have not eroded the 4 days of up. We've come back onto this fairly strong level, and let's just get that level. That is 28,178. Why I say that's fairly strong, if you look to the left on the daily, you'll see it was resistance and support quite a few times. Okay, so that is kind of the setup we've got there, and you hear the sounds of Africa in the background, I think. So what we're looking for at the moment is to see if the structure holds. So this 28,178 is definitely a major level. We have tested it once already. So we tested it there, which was pretty much last week, and we've come back and we've tested it again. So the question at the moment is, do we have the definition or the defined levels for a range? Okay, so moving average is fairly flat and like going nowhere at the moment. We're not trending up, we're not trending down. We do have a major area of support here, and by the looks of things on the 3 hour, inside bar, then an engulfing bar, now we're forming an inside bar. So a bit of confusion at this level, but you can see there's sort of a similar kind of setup, confusion, and then we bounce the top and then down. So is this the range that we're going to be looking at for the next 2 weeks? Because I suspect we're going to go into a range until the elections are over. Okay, so that's kind of the setup that we've got. You can see a pretty decent rejection bar off here, and we're busy forming a high low right now. So I would be a buyer in this zone and looking to take profit pretty much. I think I'm just going to add that level in there because that's going to be significant, to be honest. So buy off the bottom, sell off the top. I think that's kind of the structure that we're looking for. And again, same advice as the DAX pretty much, is get down onto a lower time frame and just look for opportunities to scalp. Okay, so you're not going to get any really big trends going. This, I think, is going to be our range. This is your stop area here. So below 28,147, or just to give yourself a bit of room, so 28,140 is your stop area. You'd be looking to buy off the bottom, and then you're looking to sell off the top, and your stop is going to be the previous, a few points above the previous high. But that's kind of the structure that I see us doing, and you can probably even do this on something like a 15 or even a 5-minute chart. You can see here pretty intense off a level, giving you an opportunity to buy off that, but that was going into close. I mean, you can see we're kind of drifting all over the place at the moment, but as soon as we gain this moving average and the moving average starts pointing up and we start making higher highs, that will give you the opportunity. And you can see on the 5 minutes here how same thing happened here. This is at the open, we gapped up and we sort of tried to hold that moving average and then gradually started losing it before you had opportunities to take your shorts here. Okay, so that's kind of the structure that I would focus on today. Is lower time frames. You can see I'm on the 6 minute at the moment and looking for my opportunities off a lower time frame. Bear in mind that you've got a gap here, you've got 2 little opening gaps here, so don't be too surprised to see it come down to this area and test this level again during the European session. Okay, so if this bottom level does go 28,178, and it's going to have to go on a very high time frame, okay, pointless trying to take it on a low time frame, because taking it on a low time frame, I'd still be looking for opportunities to buy off the bottom. You can see there's another little level down here, okay, which would be 28,075, and I'd even go as far as 2800, being a round number. Okay, so that's kind of the view that we are looking at the moment. Not very helpful for us if we want to be trading, but sort of swing trading, but anyway, scalping is also trading. So I think that's pretty much my advice at the moment, is drop down to low time frame, and if you're not comfortable with a 5 or a 6 or a 3 minute chart, then switch on to a 10 or a 15 minute chart, and you can see the structure on the 15 minute chart there, 3 pin bars. That's bullish in anybody's eyes. Okay, and then what you'll be looking for is you'll be looking to take profit as quick as possible. So even that's 133 points, which is fairly decent. So it's a 1-to-1 risk to reward. Okay, anyway guys, that's it for me today. I hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.